Hello everyone, welcome to Centerspace's Maintenance in a Minute. Today we're going to show you how to clean a GE dishwasher filter. No tools are required for this. Simply start by pulling out the tray and setting it aside. Once you have the tray out of the way, just move the sprayer arm a little bit, rotate the filter keeper and the tray, and proceed to clean them. The holes in these components are really fine and easily obstructed by debris. You may need to use a brush to get them cleaned out, but usually just a good rinse with soap and water works just fine. Once you're finished, you can just replace the tray and put the filter keeper back in and turn it into its lock position. There's a floating mechanism underneath this, and if this gets obstructed by debris, the mechanism inside may not float properly, in which case the dishwasher may not empty or fill. So keep all this clear of any debris. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you as a resident, and we hope you find this helpful. If it doesn't fix your problem, please call us. We're happy to help.